Alright, what's up y'all? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Before I Close My Eyes by XXXTENTACION. So this particular song is actually one of my favorite from this artist. I love it because it's really simple and easy for beginners to learn because it's only 2 notes and 3 chords that you're going to be strumming. So without further ado, let's get right into it, and the first thing I'm going to do is just play the song out for you so you can hear it. This song is great for beginners because I am as well a beginner, so I think it would be beneficial for me to show you because we're both, just starting, and I'm not going to use all this crazy terminology and all this other stuff. So real quick, I'm just going to break it down for you. These are the frets. Starting from the top, I'm counting from 1 down, okay? And the strings, you actually count from the bottom up, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6th string being the top, 1st string being the bottom. So with that out of the way, I'm going to get into the actual notes you're going to be playing. Okay, so for the first note, you're going to want to take your pointer finger right here, and you're going to want to put it on this 3rd string on the 6th fret. Okay, and on the 7th fret, you're going to take your ring finger and put it on that 4th string. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the strumming pattern real quick. So you're going to want to go to this 3rd string right here and this 4th string. So you're going to strum the 3rd string, the 4th string, down to the 2nd string, come back up to this 3rd string, hit the 4th string again, and then you just repeat that over and over again, okay? So this is what it's going to sound like. So real quick, you just go 3rd, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 2nd. So you're just going to be like this. And you're just going to want to play that 2 times, then we're going to move on to the next note. This next note, you're going to take the same fingers on the same strings, pointer finger right here, and go down to this 9th fret. And you're going to take your ring finger and go down to the 11th fret, so you're going to keep a space in between that. Before they were right next to each other, okay? And so this is exactly what it's going to sound like. And you play that twice, and you just go back and forth between these 2 chords. So that's going to be it for me today. If you guys have any songs that you would like to learn, go ahead and request them down in the comments. Leave a comment and I'll respond. I see every comment. So whatever you guys want, I will get on that right away, okay? Other than that, my name is Vincent Green, and if you guys want more guitar tutorials, let me know. I already have a few on my page, but I will be posting a lot more in the coming weeks, coming months. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day, great night, whatever it is. And if you're not, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or great night. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end and watching this video and learning how to play this song with me. Until next time, see ya.